I suppose we've all been there at some stage. We get a bigger sound system or just a different one. Before the old one would sit on a unit somewhere, but the new one takes up more space. Wires everywhere, nowhere to stack CDs, or with the resurgence of vinyl albums, we need somewhere to get it all organized. There are many products available to choose from, best record player stands, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best record player stands from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Novigris Concord Turntable Stand. This is going to take you back in time to another musical age with the Novigris Concord Turntable Stand. It's a very simple stand, not very glamorous, not made from wood, and with a little design fault which we will come back to. But there is just something about its simplicity to do the job. Its job is to hold your turntable, maybe an amplifier underneath, and your vinyl albums. It will do that just fine. It is made from MDF and laminated particle board, or chipboard as it is known in some places, and is finished with white vinyl. Very 60s 70s, indeed. What really does interrupt the space-time continuum is the legs. Definitely. Number 2. Pripak Triple Wall Mounted Storage Cabinet. Rather than being a unit for stereo systems or vinyl albums, this unit is more appropriate for the storage of CDs and other similar-sized entertainment packages. It is a good combination of the practical use of storage space and an attractive design. It's also a good solution if floor space is limited and placed above another unit. Housing the stereo system itself would provide an ideal storage and display solution for someone with a lot of CDs. It is listed as having space for over 500 CDs and over 200 DVDs. To be able to handle the weight of those, without the actual weight of the unit itself, it will need to be made very well and be extremely strong and stable. It is constructed from high-quality laminated composite woods and is mounted on the wall. It has an easy-to-hang rail design system and comes with an instruction booklet. You can, of course, hang the unit at whatever height is beats a huge amount of storage space. Pros. Attractive and practical design. Great for CDs and DVDs. Number 3. Winsome Wood Leo Model. This is a very functional piece of furniture and can serve many different requirements. First and foremost, it is a storage area for your turntable and a small amp possibly, but it will not take albums, which is disappointing. We say disappointing because it is made of wood with a good solid design, and looks really quite nice. And whilst as we said it will take your turntable, providing it isn't one of the very large ones, and may also take your amp if it's not too wide. The height restrictions will not take albums. It has other features though that are positive in that you can get other shelf sizes and even wire baskets for storing objects. Wire baskets and extra shelving are sold separately. The top shelf area measurement is 13.3 wide by 11.2 deep, so if you are thinking of using it for sound systems, you can check the size of what you wish. Tommy. Number 4. Pangea Audio Vulcan. This is a 3-shelf stand that has been made to support turntables and other sound equipment. The top shelf is at an ideal height for a turntable. A second shelf for maybe an amp or another piece of gear, but importantly a third shelf that will take up to 100 pieces of vinyl. The recent resurgence of vinyl has made this type of storage units important, but it is also necessary. They are equipped for the job of holding the weight, not only of the turntable and the amps, but of the vinyl itself. This unit does that. It has to hold a lot of weight, and with an attractive open design that meant building in a lot of rigidity and stability. Heavy-duty shelves and top, and most importantly, a steel bracing system, create the strength that is needed to carry the weight. The unit has been designed with what the manufacturers consider the best height differences between shelves. But they also realized that this needed to be flexible. You can, therefore, remove a shelf or add others into this modular design. Number 5. Line Phono Turntable Station Turntable. If there is one thing that a music station needs to be, it is well built and stable. You can often get a good idea of its quality by its weight. This Line Phono turntable station weighs in at around 23 kilograms. That means you are not going to knock it over that easily. Its job is to act as a station for your turntable, amps, etc., and of course vinyl records. We all thought the days of vinyl were over, but thankfully they have returned. But now we need to store them once again. It is constructed of MDF or medium density fiberboard. No matter what companies say, MDF is not wood, nor is it as tough as wood. However, it is a lot better than plywood and the laminates that are so often used in furniture these days. Its biggest negative, apart from being quite heavy, is that it doesn't hold screws very well. It is well put together though, and has a nice design with all the corners rounded. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.